box pretty tight. There we go. Check it a little back. Okay, we'll lay this side up, facing it. The other side here. Lay on your back. And do the, usually do good with the Y strap, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go down the end now. And come up here, just like so. Perfect. Yeah, heard that one, for sure. That feel all right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's double check your neck and see what's going on. Moving good. Moving good, okay. How many of your elbows then? Or we'll stay? Yeah, your elbows okay?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that's good. Let's check. Right here.
Oh, that felt really good.
All right, you're good. All right, we're all good then.
Okay.
So that should be feeling great.
Can we try doing my shoulder?
Yeah. Same kind of ones before. All right, so we'll put arm like this, and we'll just turn your head this way. Come around here. Let's see, I'm gonna gotta do it a little different. Okay, let's go with that.
Okay.
We are good.